Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make concentric shapes in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Already create a new canvas, then create a new layer, right click on your mouse, use rectangle tool, rounded, ellipse tool, polygonal or triangle, hexagon, pentagon, etc. Example, use rounded ellipse tool, mode shape without fill, only stroke color black, press enter, then hold shift, draw a shape, increase or decrease to the shape size. Okay, then press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer, press Ctrl T, hold Alt key, shift, then hold Alt key plus shift, then draw. Again press a duplicate layer, apply the same process, Ctrl T, hold Alt key, shape. Okay, then hold shift, again select all shape layer, then align horizontal and vertical middle. Okay, press Ctrl Z for group. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.